Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today in today's commentary we are going to be looking at how to make neat stitch braids without any form of edge control. First things first, before you say you want to make stitch braids without any form of edge control or gel, you should know that your hair should be well relaxed. Yes, that is the first pass, or let me say first criteria. If your hair is not well relaxed, there is no way the stylist will make a clean stitch braids as neat as this without adding some gel or edge control. Yes, so it is possible to make stitch braids without gel or edge control, but the braids will still come out clean like this one you're seeing. It will still come out smooth and very beautiful. This method is perfect if you want a more natural finish, if you don't like product build-up, if you react to products, or if you simply want a lightweight protective style that still looks professional. Emphasis on professional. The first thing here is to section your hair neatly, because clean parting is very crucial, important when it comes to making stitch braids. Even without gel, good parting can already make an hairstyle look neat. You can bear me witness, right? So carefully, sectioning and filling in small amounts of attachment little by little, not much, creates that clean stitch effect. The secret here is tension control, finger placement, and a whole lot of patience. If you're a beginner, you don't need to worry about if it doesn't come out perfectly, because you are a beginner. Stitch braids become easier with practice, and over time your lines will become cleaner and even more defined. One thing I really love about this method is that your cap looks more natural and feels less heavy compared to using much gel or edge control. You can see that this person's hair is neatly relaxed and the attachment moderately fixed. As you watch, pay close attention to how she separates the hair evenly even before each feeding. That's what helped create the stitch pattern. If you have to rewind this, you can rewind it. This hairstyle is perfect for school, work, vacation, or any occasion because it is simple, it is beautiful, and it is long lasting. So if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification so you don't miss more hairstyling tutorials or commentaries like this, or you don't miss me showing you braid techniques like this locks installation you are seeing right now. So thank you so much for watching, and let's continue the tutorial while I see you in my next video.
This quiet morning sun upon my face, washing all my worries with its grace. Oh, this peaceful feeling deep inside. With you I know I have no need to hide. This calm, intimate healing